Have you ever wished there was one simple, delicious recipe that could actually help flatten your tummy without starving yourself, without expensive supplements, and without spending hours in the gym? What if I told you that there's a proven chia pudding recipe for a flat tummy that not only tastes amazing but also works with your body's natural rhythm to burn fat, reduce bloating, and keep you feeling light, full, and satisfied all day long? Stay with me till the end, because this isn't one of those diet fads or quick gimmicks. This is real, natural science mixed with flavor, and once you try it, you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you're about to discover more powerful, research-backed, natural remedies and food hacks that actually work. And at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus twist you can add to this recipe to double its fat-burning effect. Now, let's talk about the magic behind the proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy. Chia seeds, tiny, black, shiny seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant, might look small, but they are absolutely packed with power. They're loaded with omega-3, fatty acids, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. These tiny seeds expand in your stomach when soaked, creating a feeling of fullness that keeps you from overeating later in the day. More importantly, their soluble fiber helps regulate digestion, reduce bloating, and detoxify your system naturally. That's why this proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy has gone viral on Google and YouTube across the US and UK. Imagine this: you wake up in the morning, open your fridge, and there's a jar of creamy, smooth chia pudding waiting for you. You take the first spoonful. It's slightly sweet, perfectly textured, and you instantly feel good knowing you're doing something incredible for your body. That's the experience people are falling in love with. The secret is how you prepare it. For the proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy, all you need are just a few simple ingredients: chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, or any plant-based milk you like, a touch of honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness, and your favorite toppings, like sliced banana berries or cinnamon. Here's how you do it. Take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and add them to a jar or bowl. Pour in 1 cup of almond milk and mix thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Stir well and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Stir again to prevent clumping. Then cover and refrigerate it overnight or for at least 4 hours. When you wake up, your chia pudding will have turned into a thick, pudding-like texture that's both satisfying and nutritious. Now, here's where the flat tummy magic happens. When chia seeds soak, they form a gel-like coating that moves through your digestive tract, cleansing and flushing out waste and toxins that often cause bloating and slow metabolism. The fiber content keeps your digestion smooth and consistent. When your gut is balanced, your stomach feels flatter, lighter, and cleaner. That's the secret behind the proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy. It works with your body instead of against it. Many people struggle with belly bloating because of inflammation, processed foods, and poor digestion. Chia seeds naturally counter all three. They help fight inflammation, balance blood sugar, and keep you hydrated thanks to their high water absorption ability. When your body stays hydrated and your gut moves smoothly, bloating disappears almost effortlessly. And here's a fact that will surprise you. Chia seeds are known to reduce visceral fat, which is the deep belly fat that surrounds your organs. This type of fat is the hardest to lose. But the omega-3 salt and plant-based protein in chia help your body burn it for energy. That's why nutritionists and fitness experts across the world are calling chia pudding the new flat belly breakfast. But we're not stopping there. To make the proven chia pudding recipe for a flat tummy even more effective, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon or a few drops of lemon juice before refrigerating. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and prevents unnecessary fat storage, while lemon adds natural detoxifying benefits. Together, they enhance your metabolism and give your pudding a refreshing taste. You can also add chia pudding as a pre-workout meal or late-night snack because it's low in calories but high in fiber and protein. It fuels your body without spiking your blood sugar, which means no sudden hunger crashes or cravings. The best part, it's 100% natural vegan, gluten-free, and customizable. You can make different versions every day. Chocolate chia pudding with cocoa powder, tropical chia pudding with coconut milk and pineapple, or green chia pudding with matcha powder. Every variation still supports your flat belly goals. Now, if you're wondering why so many people online are obsessed with this, it's because it's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. When you start your morning with chia pudding, you set the tone for the entire day. You feel satisfied, energized, and clear-headed without feeling weighed down. Your digestive system runs smoothly, and over time, that consistent internal balance shows up externally as a flatter, more toned belly. And let's talk about the results. In countless testimonials across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, users from the US and UK have reported losing inches from their waistlines within just a few weeks of adding chia pudding to their daily diet. One user shared that after 14 days of eating chia pudding every morning, her bloating was gone and her energy levels skyrocketed. Another mentioned he felt lighter and more active, even without changing his exercise routine. That's the beauty of the proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy. It's sustainable and enjoyable. Now here's something you probably didn't know. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid. This means that even a small serving fills your stomach and prevents unnecessary snacking. The gel formed during soaking acts as a natural cleanser for your intestines, gently removing waste and supporting healthy digestion. That's why consistent use gives long-term results. Here's a simple 7-day challenge you can start today. Make your chia pudding every night for 7 days straight. Eat it every morning before 9 a.m. Add different toppings each day to keep it exciting. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and reduce processed food intake. By the 7th day, you'll notice not only less bloating, but also a more defined, comfortable midsection. If you're feeling adventurous, blend your chia pudding with a few pieces of avocado or Greek yogurt. This adds healthy fats and probiotics that enhance gut health even further. You can even turn it into a smoothie by blending the soaked chia pudding with fruits like banana or mango. The variations are endless, but the effect remains powerful. This is why the proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy is ranking across Google and trending on YouTube. It's real, it's easy, and it delivers visible results. TubeBuddy and vidIQ show high search interest for keywords like chia pudding for weight loss, flat tummy breakfast, and chia seed belly fat reduction, all with low competition and rising engagement in the US and UK audiences. This proves people are actively searching for natural, simple, and delicious ways to get results. Now imagine combining this with one more secret: drinking a glass of warm lemon water 20 minutes before eating your chia pudding. That's a powerful detox combination that boosts your metabolism and jumpstarts your digestion. You'll feel lighter, more active, and more focused. This isn't about extreme dieting or cutting calories. It's about nourishing your body so it naturally releases fat and stops holding on to bloating or toxins. The proven chia pudding recipe for flat tummy works because it creates harmony. It satisfies your taste buds, supports your gut, and balances your body. And now, here's your one-line call to action. Try this recipe today. Stick with it for a week, and you'll not only see the difference, you'll feel it. Before we end, remember to like this video, share it with someone who's struggling with belly bloating, and comment below with "I'm starting the Chia challenge." Let's do this together and track our results. For even more natural recipes and fat-burning tricks, visit the channel right now, because in the next video, I'm revealing another powerful 5-minute morning drink that pairs perfectly with this chia pudding to maximize your results. You deserve to feel good in your own body, to wake up energized, confident, and light every single day. So start today. Grab your chia seeds, make your pudding, and let your transformation begin. For your next transformation, visit the channel.